Oppo has launched its new smartphone under K13 lineup in China called Oppo K13s. Now have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo K13s features a tall 6.8-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1600 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 720 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo K13s sports a dual-camera setup under circular ring at the top center, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2-megapixel monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 80 watts super flash charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on ColorOS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.13 by 77.58 by 7.7 millimeters, and it weighs around 195 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo K13s has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,499 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1,599 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in energy blue and super white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo K13s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.